as you probably can tell, I've committed to the vertical mobile theme, but it'll get widescreen soon enough. Also, got a package, so let's open it up and see what it's all about, yeah? We're gonna open some packages, yeah! We're gonna open packages. So, what's up? Packages. Already opened one of them, sorry, but I've got some packages and then we're gonna install one of the packages and use the other one. Let's open it, see what it is. This is kind of a vlog. As I said, I did open this already. This is a microphone from Purple Panda. I saw Jason 2 Wheels' video on the microphone and I thought, hey, it's not that expensive. Now, package number 2 is this one from GS Bildeler, which is car parts. Focus. It's a car parts manufacturer from in Norway, I believe. So let's bring out our totally oversized knife. Right, so you can probably tell what this is by the title or thumbnail of this video, but this is a piece of glass for the BMW. I've never done this before, but it'll be interesting. I'll bring you along with my mistakes and everything. So let's mic me up with the new microphone and then I'll see you out in the garage. Why does this happen to me every time I'm gonna do something? Well, I guess I'm not doing this in the garage then. Then I'm doing it outside. Alright, it was worth a shot. There's a crack right there. And it's making this one fog all up and stuff. This one doesn't fog, it's just ice. So, yeah. Oh fuck. Probably should have changed these as well, because they are kind of cracking up as well. Oh well. I should have had something for that to be on, but nah, mate, nah. Now, of course, I'm gonna have to watch a YouTube video on how to do this, because I don't know at all.
Here I'm taking out the last corner screw. After fully loosening the screw, use a magnetic tool to grab the screw and pull it out.
What? I don't have that. Oh, these guys. That one, maybe, and one down there somewhere. Oh, scary shit, man. Screwmaster Drakenhoff here. Flashlight. Oh, it's down there. Fuck me. How am I gonna get to that? Can't really pick it up from anywhere, can I? Alright, that will be interesting. If nothing else. Oh fuck. So what if I use this right here, which is a magnet, to magnify this one, and then can I pick up stuff with it? Yeah, almost. If I do it like that, and then it'll pick it up. Perfect. So I'll try. Come on. You can make it. You can't, can you? Excuse me, can I come pick you up? No. Shit. So I'm trying like this now, with the magnet attached to the metal part right here, and then this will be interesting. Ah, come on. It's like it's not even metal. Oh. Oh. Yeah, boy. So that right there, the magnet and this one, is the right combination to get that screw out. Okay, so now I should be able to just get this headlight out, or not. Let's go back to YouTube.
Now that all the screws are released, gently pull on the inner corner of the headlight so the assembly is free from its mounts.
Okay.
The last step to getting the...
That looks super easy. It's not gonna be that easy, is it? I don't need gloves. Gloves are for people not like me. Seems like there's a tab in here, but it's connected to the headlight, so... Okay, it's loose, so I guess that's a good thing. And then it should be the tab on the right side here. Oh, I didn't mean to do that. You only learn one way, and that's by doing and fucking up, so I'm just guessing I'm gonna fuck up today. Should just be to pull this monstrosity right out. It feels like there are something holding it back. It's probably something under here, to be honest. With the, he had that, did he? So there should be something under there, I'm guessing. Oh, let me just touch my white phone with my filthy fingers. Well, that's gonna be great. This is usually how I fix shit, I just break it. Definitely not a car mechanic, this one. Oh yeah, okay, so these regularly break, so that's good to know. But I need you out. That's why we're here. I need you to go out. It's screwdriver time. Maybe it's plier time, actually. Well, I need to disconnect you somehow. How do I do that?
You're simply gonna push and snap it back.
Alright. Let's see if we can do this. It's not working. It did work. So it's out. It is, it's out. I mean, we're not done, not by far. I need to order a new one of these. So that one is out. Did you just shoot at me? Little shit. Can I remove this whole thing now? Yes. No. Yes. It's freaking out. Alright. Cool. Cool. I'm gonna have to remove this right there, and then on the top here I'll remove it as well. There we go. I've broken this, but he said that it tends to break, so I guess it's not my fault. It was very loose, and also this clip that was right here, that broke. Probably not my fault. And then this one seems to be intact, actually. These clips, right? Okay. These clips. Removes that. And last one. Woo! There we go. As you can see, it's cracked. I don't know, focus, hello. It's cracked right there, and it's cracked there, and it's really cracked over here. So, I mean, it was very nice to change it. I'm gonna go get some gloves, actually. Ooh, that looks clean though. Almost too clean to put on this. You've popped in, and you've popped in. So you popped, you popped, you popped, you popped, you popped, you popped. I don't know how long the external mic didn't work, but hopefully this did the trick. Hopefully. So now that I've got a brand new lens, it's really just to connect it again. There we go. I had to make sure that the nozzle inside here was correct, or that it went into the hole it was supposed to. Then I have to get the nozzle. Don't you dare fire anything at me. There we go. Pushed in place. And then this right here, this doesn't have anywhere to go. So I guess, well, yeah, it's just loose. I'll tape it on there for now, and then I'll order a new one, I guess. Because it's not good. It's not good at all. Oh shoot, all the connectors. This is why I take photos of everything, because that means that I can go back and check where the connectors are supposed to be. All right, so that's all the connectors. Woo! Oh, that's whoa. Really close. So I'm not even gonna attempt to get this one in, because I struggle to get it out, and I need some sort of magnetic. That's an M2. That's the car I want. So I'm not gonna put this in. I'm not gonna put this in right now. I am going to keep it in here. Remember that it's in there. And now I just gotta put in the this light right here. There we go. So now everything that is left to do is really, I'll have to put the battery on charging, buy a new battery and change that, and then yeah, I'll see if the light works. Actually, I'll hook it up to power and then we'll see if it works. Hopefully it does. Hopefully. I just realized something. I forgot to put this on. But can I do it from here? I mean, I shouldn't, but can I? I mean, yeah, I can. That made everything just so much easier. And I like it when it's easy. Good job, Drakenhoff. Good job, Drakenhoff. Let's hook it up to power now. Working. Fuck. Not working. Shh. Not working. Working. This one I knew it wasn't gonna work. That's just a bulb I have to change, I think. So yeah. All right. So one of the bulbs wasn't working. It wasn't the one that wasn't supposed to work, but it didn't work. So I'm probably gonna have to change that. It turned all purple and stuff before I did this, so I saw that coming. So yeah, this is it for this video. Thank you guys for watching this day, and I'll catch you in the next one. Ja, hopp ner. Hopp ner. Ned. Du. Ned.